Hello students, welcome to Physics Content Library for grade 10. Today we are going to revise the topic electricity through concept maps. Learning objectives. You will be able to understand the concept of electricity and describe the keywords in your own sentences. Let us begin with our first concept, electric current. It is a flow of electrons per unit time. SI unit is ampere. Mathematical expression I is equals to Q by T, where Q is a charge and T is a time. It is measured by an instrument called an ammeter, and it is always connected in series combination to measure an electric current. Let us look at potential difference. It is an amount of work done to move a unit positive charge from one point to another. SI unit is volt. Mathematical expression V is equals to W by Q, where W is work done and Q is a charge. It is measured by voltmeter, and it is always connected in parallel combination to measure potential difference. Let us look at symbols of electrical components. In this chapter, all the electrical components are represented by different symbols as shown in the chart. Let us look at Ohm's law. Scientist George Simon Ohm has explained the relationship between electric current and potential difference. This relationship explained at a particular condition, that is, at constant temperature. This law states that strength of an electric current is directly proportional to voltage at a constant temperature. Its mathematical expression I is equals to V by R. V is equals to I into R, where I is an electric current and R is a resistance. Let us look at resistance. It is an opposition offered to the flow of electric current. SI unit is ohm. All the resistance are connected in different combination to get required value of resistance. That's why there are two types of combination. One is series combination. To get maximum value of resistance, connect a resistance in series combination. When resistance are connected from one end to another end and having one common point is called series combination. Its mathematical expression R is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. Second one, parallel combination. To get minimum value of resistance, we connect resistance in parallel combination. When resistance are connected one across another and having a two common point is called parallel combination. Its mathematical expression 1 by R is equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Let us look at factors of resistance of conductor. It is directly proportional to length of a conductor. It means when length of a conductor increases, resistance also increases. The second factor, it is inversely proportional to area of cross section. It means when the area of the conductor increases, resistance decreases. A third factor, it is directly proportional to temperature. It means when the temperature increases, resistance will also increases. Fourth factor, it is also depends on nature of material. It means resistance of a conductor varies from material to material. When we combine these all the factors, we'll get equation for resistance, that is R is equals to rho into L by A, where R is the resistance, rho is the resistivity, L is the length, A is the area. Let us look at resistivity. It is equal to resistance of that substance, which is 1 meter long and 1 square meter area. Its mathematical expression rho is equals to R into A by L. Its SI unit is ohmmeter. And it is an independent quantity, means it doesn't depend on length, area and temperature. Let us look at heating effect of electric current. When a current passes through high resistance, it becomes hot and produces heat. Its mathematical expression H is equals to V into I into T. It is also called Joule's law of heating effect. Heating effect of electric current depends on three factors. Those are current, resistance and time. Heat produced in a conductor is directly proportional to square of current, resistance and time. Let us look at power. Work done per unit time, rate of doing work, or energy consumed per unit time. Its mathematical expression P is equals to V into I, where P is a power, V is a potential difference and I is an electric current. T is equals to W by T, where W is the work done and T is the time. And P is equals to E by T, where E is the energy and T is the time. Its SI unit is Watt. I hope this concept helps you to revise the lesson electricity. Your home play is join all the concept maps and create a complete mind map and draw it in your science drawing book. Thank you.